We start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if you refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was within this move, we mentioned if we want to look for buy, the best thing is we get one more drop because we mentioned we can expect the price to drop, and this is exactly what we get. And right now we have in this move. If we get any trade setup for buy, we will take it. And beside that, we mentioned if the price continue from here, the only way is to put our entry above the top. That's mean right now, as we can see, the price didn't tag. No one should be in the trade. Okay. Now we want to see whether we can put this one as a correction relative to this. That's mean if we get any trade setup for buy, we will take it, and we want to see the breakout of the top and continuation as a sharp move. Okay. And beside that, can we put our entry above here? It depends on the traders because the reasons we put our entry above the top in case the price sharply continue from here. Okay, that means we want the price break, tag, break, and continue. But if the price tag within 1 or 2 hours, we see there is no movement, we take out the trade. Okay, because if I move to for higher time frame, I will explain why. In this case, we move to daily chart, and based on daily chart, we're putting this one as a correction relative to this. That means we want to see whether we can get one move up at least with the breakout of the previous top or not. Okay. And if I move to 1 hour chart, the only things I want to highlight here. All right. If we put this one as the start of the up move and this is the correction, can we expect this one turn to a correct? If the price, that's why if the price continues a sharp move, is good. But if the price continues a corrective move, mostly we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction, be deeper and bigger correction before we get the next trade. Okay, that's why if anyone wants to buy based on lower time frame, based on 1 hour chart, if we get any trade setup, we want to see the breakout of this and continuation as a sharp move. Okay. Now the only thing is, this is the reasons why I mentioned having entry about this. It depends on the traders and how they can manage it, and how about if the price tag and drop, because at that times we will have the flat in relative to this for one more drop. Okay. In this case, whoever going to have entry above this, they should know we once the price break tag and break as a sharp move and continue. If the price tag within the first or maximum second hours, we see there is no continuation, we take out the trade. And if we get any trade setup for buy within this range, we take it, and with the breakout of the stop, we have to start to manage. We need to see the continuation as a sharp move. If we see the continue as a corrective move, at least we should start to manage and move our stop loss to break even. Okay. And right now we're looking at this one and we want to see whether the price can continue or not. Okay. And we have nothing else to discuss. And if the price start to drop, is good for us because at that times we can put this one as a correction, and with the breakout of the previous low we can see the divergence and it can give us better confirmation for next move. But right now we're looking at this one. We are more interested to look for buy from here. All right, in this case we just follow the chart. If we see any update, I mean if we see any trade setup, we will take the trade for buy. But the only thing is we want to see the breakout over the 40 cents and continuation as a sharp move. In this case we just follow the chart. If I see any update I will share.